hello.
Hello.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Ken. I'm 4 years old. I'm from the Vietnam.
Alright, are you ready, Ken?
Yeah.
Okay, Ken, what color is
In
this?
red,
Good.
the blue, the
It's green.
green, it's orange,
It's yellow.
yellow, apple,
It's an apple.
it's apple,
Good.
it's orange, it's a banana, it's a
Mango.
mango, it's a biscuit.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's it.
It has a soup. It's
Meat.
meat. It's
Noodles.
blue.
Next one, Ken.
It's a candy.
Good.
It's orphan.
It's green. Next one. Cake.
Cake.
Cookie.
Cookie.
Next one, Ken. Next one.
It's
It's water.
butter. It's a blue
Milk.
milk. It's
Yogurt.
never.
It's a toy car.
A circle.
Okay.
And bear.
Dog.
Toy. Bong bóng.
Ball.
Bò.
Next one.
Bò.
Robot.
Cây.
Toy train.
Cháu xin. Hay là hay. Bây giờ đất.
Dog. Next one.
Bây giờ cat.
Good.
Bây giờ child.
Lion.
Bây giờ child.
Tiger.
Tiger. Yeah.
Duck.
Duck.
Thank you. All right. Good job.